Kittl has just launched a whole suite of fantastic new features and tools, which I believe are really going to be a game changer. And I will go through these over the coming months and just explain exactly what they're about and how you can use it. But guys, as usual, if you love all things Kittl, digital products, AI, and all that good stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see I'm on Etsy, fantastic platform that sells digital products, and there's a big demand for vectorized drawings, designs, even personalized ones. So you can see on my screen, you can see these fantastic peking dogs, pets, and to be honest, there are all sorts of designs that are SVGs or vectorized that you can actually create, whether it be for lettering, whether it be for actual drawings. Kittl now allows you to actually vectorize these drawings or the lettering just from a hand drawing, let's say. So on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Try to keep it quite simple, quite straightforward, but honestly, it is easy to do. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so I'm on Kittl right now. The first thing that I wanted to share with you is really the pen tool, which is going to help create this. So I want to go to create a new project. Firstly, I'm going to go to new project. I'm just going to keep it standard size and everything. I can always change all of this information when I come to download it, like increase the DPI and also the size. So I'm just going to keep it as is just for now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload, let's say, a drawing, right? And a drawing of something that I want to actually vectorize, if you like. So I'm going to go to upload my drawing, hand drawing. Okay, that's uploaded. Oh, I've got it here. Look. Okay, let's go on the pen tool. This is going to help us sort of create this. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to really keep it simple. Go to each point. You don't really need to, like, it doesn't matter what it looks like right now. Obviously, this is a little drawing that I've got and I just want to vectorize it. So let's do all the points. Okay. And let's just do each of the points. Let's just make sure that we do this. Right. Double click. Make sure that I do all the bits. Go to another bit and click that and do another bit. Actually, what I can do is I can go to the shapes elements. I can just do a basic circle if I want, and I can just use that as a sort of for the eye if I wanted. Now, coming back to those ones, if I want to, like, let me just zoom in for a minute. Obviously, these parts are sort of a bit jagged, and that's not what I want, right? So obviously what I need to do is I need to go back to the dots, and I just need to click on it. And what you see is when you double click on it, you can actually, make it round if you like. So look at this, I'm actually pulling it. So double click the dots and just kind of round it off. See, as I double click it, you can see, then you can move it. So you double click and then you move, double click. You can see that I can get the sort of right curvature if you like. There you go, round it off. There you go. Let's do this one, double click. That's there. Oops. There you go, curved. Does take practice, to be fair. Okay, so that's looking quite good. Let's go to this one. This one comes in a little bit. Okay, let's go to this one. And you can see you kind of can include, if you double click on the line even, you can get more sort of parts to it that allows you to stretch out a little bit more. Like I said, just needs a little bit of time. Let's get the eye there. And let's have a look and see how it looks. Oops, sorry. Let's just get rid of that one. You can see that. Can you see? It's pretty good, actually. Look at that. But there are also parts that just need a little bit more curvature. And you can see how to do that anyway. Like, look, when you click on it, you can just get that. That's curved better. That was not too bad. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Let's have a look. Just click away. Just give it a... Yeah, that's pretty good. This one needs a bit more of a curve. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, that's better. Right? Bit of a better curve, and then let me just do this one, just make it touch, then make the nose touch the end. Yeah, so that's pretty good, right? And obviously I can sort of group it, and remember, if you make a mistake, you can always go back. You can make it obviously thicker, the border weight. Sometimes I want the outline maybe a little bit thicker for your little image there. You can always go back and you can always, you know, slightly amend things. And also you can just really get into little parts like this one. Like I think the mouth just needed to look a little bit better. If you make a mistake, just go back and undo it. Actually, let me step up. All right. So that is my sort of hand-drawn dog image. Obviously, I can go and add some bits to it. But, you know, now that I've sort of vectorized the drawing, I can actually add a little bit more. There's another part to it there. Let me go back to the pen tool. Let me just zoom in as well quickly and just do this above the eye. Make it a bit more curved. Okay, that'll do. And I think I'll do the sort of the other ear that was appearing there. Stretch that out up there. Make it a bit more curved by double clicking. That's a bit better. Okay, and then obviously I can increase the weight of this just like the other bits, like that, like so I can get it more in line with everything else. So yeah, that's a bit better. I think probably need to make it a little bit smaller. It's a bit too big. Okay, that's better. So you can see like how much you can actually do and how much it can do and how powerful it is. And then, you know, literally, okay, so yeah, I'm going to get rid of my drawing and I'll keep that. And obviously, like I said, you can go back, adjust and improve any parts you can, like here, like probably maybe probably a little bit smoother. Yes, better. Smoother pathway. So yeah, this is how to really use the pen tool to vectorize. And you know, obviously if you want to, now that I've transformed the sketch into a vectorize vector. So guys, that's how you kind of draw over a kind of sketch with the pen tool to kind of create a sort of vectorized image of it, using also these specific points and how to curve your design with the points. And then all you need to do is really share it. So you go to download and obviously make sure that you go to, let's say in this case, SVG. You can make sure that your sizing is correct at 300 dpi. Obviously go for the right design sort of size that you want. And that's it. Literally you can share it, download it, and your vectorized sketch or drawing is done. And remember, you can do this with lettering. You can do this with all sorts of things. And this is just an example of one thing that can be done, and how to kind of, you know, create it as close to the actual drawing as possible. Fantastic. I will be doing more videos on other features that Kittl has got, new features. But yeah, stay tuned. And if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.